Tingnan mo naman, madaling araw na umuulan pa ng palipad dito. O si Chris Webber vlog ng United States of America. Si Repelem, may kasabihan tayo, rich people, their money works for them. They don't work for money. Di ba, boss? Yes! But there is a principle from me that other rich people don't have. Ano yun? Biblically saying, you cannot serve two master. Maraming saksakan ng yayaman. Ang pinakamahirap sa kanilang gawin ay yung mawala yung kanilang kayamanan. They even willing to sacrifice part of their family just to keep their wealth. So the principle that I have is, I am always, and I always use my wealth to love people. And I never use people to love my wealth. Why? Because wealth is created by people to be used, while people is created by God to be loved. So instead of saying, I'm going and I always use my money to love people, and I never use people to love money. Again, ulitin ko, people are loved by God, created by God to be loved, and money are created by people to be used. So, for God's sake, let us use our money to make others people happy. Yes. Yes. Let us use our money to make others people happy. That is only a once in a lifetime decision. Sabi ni Tata Dison, I am happy to hear from you, idol, sharing biblical words. Yan. As always. Amor non quam moritur.